Good morning, guys. It's another Dollarama haul, and today we are featuring the first thing I peel up from the bag is the socks. They're 150, and this one with blue. Uh, my daughter loves blue, so I pick up this one for her, and pick up this one for myself with the pink. I love pink with the stripes. They're 150. I pick up this pot holders. So we do a lot of baking and cooking, so pick up the pink one. And the pot holder is $2. I got this towel. Towel is $3 with the hearts on it for Valentine. I should have picked up two more, but marshmallow staple. The bag is so heavy I cannot lift it. Okay, I'll go the small bag first. I pick up this cup, and the only reason I pick it up is because it has the pink cat. And I wanted some more pink, and it have fishes around it, so I pick up four like this, the same thing, so I can, and it's $2. So it looks close up like this: pink cat, striped cat, gray cat, fishes on the arm. Yeah, see, he's smiling. So yeah, and this side is, sorry guys for the, I find the pink one and there was red one vases, and there were 250, and they have heart, sparkly heart here, and some of the hearts are damaged, so you have to look very well to don't pick up the damaged one. And it's about the size of my head. Anyway, that's what it looked like. Very, very beautiful, love it. I have two like that in this bag, and guess what, guys, it's finally reached at my Dollarama. The craft designer paper, 24 sheets, and I only pick up one. My kids always in a rush, and they make me, I need the help to carry this stuff, so I have to go with them. I pick up two storage thing, the brown one, two more storage cubes for my bathroom. Okay, I saw this Valentine's Day Charlie Brown ready to read, two sheets of sticker. Oh, I didn't realize it was the book. I thought it was all stickers. Anyway, I love Charlie Brown, so I'm gonna keep this. I I know that they have those for, excuse guys, let me straighten up. Yeah, they have these for the cats, order for the pet, but I want it for my bathroom. I'm gonna try to put it in my bathroom, and so I pick up two like this, and it's 150. The Charlie Brown book was 250. Didn't realize it was a book. So that's the other one. I pick up the hot pink what's it called, boxes, favorite boxes. They look like that. Yeah. I saw some stuff I haven't seen in my the bag is so heavy because I pick up some plates, so I have to have it on the floor. The brush pen, my daughter loves these, and so I pick up two of this. Try to get two different colors so we could share. And these were $2. And I got the glass markers, and I only saw these two colors, so this was $2 too, to write on the glass, so I could write something on plain glass. Guys, I'll take a sip of my tea. Using a straw because It's so hot and I'm wearing lipstick. My son wanted batteries and they were 125. I pick up these princesses. This one is nail polish, one lip gloss. How much nail? One nail polish, one lip gloss with the bow. Oh, and the side princess crab. I didn't think about that. Oh, I'm gonna wear it anyway. I pick up the princess, the tree princess, because I wanted the pouch and the little accessories. I pick up another princess, which I've been eyeing for a while, and it's the tree princesses. The four princesses, two nail polishes, a 6-piece set, and it's called cosmetic set with a fan. So, and my daughter will be playing with those. I pick up our favorite cracker. I only get one because we have so much of the grocery store crackers, but it's the salted one. But we love the one without salt. Okay, try to put up the bag. Okay, got two of the staples. My son pick up 2 hot chocolates, and I'm gonna try this in the bathroom. So the 2-tab bowl cleaner. Yeah. Put it up here on this side. Oh, I got some bows. I'm gonna try to do a Valentine's Day tree. I don't know how it's gonna work out, but I'm gonna be trying. Okay, it's 125 for the toilet tabs. The hot chocolate is 250 all the time. I know it's 250 because my grocery store it's sometimes 3 something. Another bows, glitter bowl, but it's pink and they have all the different glitter things on it. So, and they were one is $1. Yeah, they're both $1. I find this lace thing, craft ribbon. I'm gonna do something with that. I'm not sure what yet. This is our favorite cream, and I getting my daughter into it, so I got one for her. I wanted some more of this, and they were there, so I got, I think 3 or 4 of these. Three of these, and they are 150. I was out of black pepper, so I got some black pepper. The only snack I got is 1 peanut, and the peanut I think is always $2. I got some crushed shells, pink. Not sure, but I'm gonna use it in my decor. The other thing I got is, oh my god, 2 heart gallons. So I got 2 of that. I'll do something with that. Let's see. I got another ribbon and it was gray. Looked like that for $2. So I'm gonna use that too. Okay. I think I got, oh, I've been looking for that, the glue tape. I'm gonna try it for the first time in my binder and my traveler's notebook. So guys, I love blue and white. Whoever watched my tablescape know I love blue and white. And see what I found there. Isn't that beautiful? I hope I didn't break it bringing it home. They are so cute. They're not the patterns I have, so I think I'm gonna be collecting. Let's try to get some more. So I have 4 like this, and 4 of the bowl. The bowl is $2. I think the plate is $2. So the plate is $3. So that was my haul, and that was making my bag so heavy with the cups. My son was whining. Yes, so that's my haul. Thank you guys so much. I could try to do a Valentine table scape with the blue and white and pink. That's on my mind right now because I wanted to do pink, but I was wondering what could go with pink. And I like pink and gray, and then I decide when I see it, I'm like, oh, blue and white and pink. So yeah. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching my haul. Thanks you to all my subscribers who's come to check out whatever my videos, and my friends. Thank you so much. Bye.